Hi, and welcome to another trading session. And we have on the screens our daily chart for gold. Okay, we are on our daily chart for gold, and then what we are looking at right now is we are trying to on this trading session, we are looking at key levels where price react from and our point of interest. Okay, we are looking at key levels of price reaction and our point of interest. Okay, and how to um, take these trades in our favor. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how I look at this market, the lens I look at this market through, and then you will be able to work like that. So you can see over here that we have on our daily time frames um, the high for the we are on the gold chart. By the way, we are on the gold chart. So on our chart we are seeing that this is the high price, okay, on our daily time frames, and we can see an imbalance here which has been zoned out. Okay, so what has price been doing? Price has been falling, it has been bearish, and then had a reversal, went to the bearish, and then still retracing back. Okay, so now on our daily time frames, what we are looking at is the imbalance price created, this imbalance here on the daily. And when we go to our 4 hours time frame, we can see that price has equally created uh, an imbalance here as well, which has been marked out. Okay, and when we held and when we go down to our 1 hour time frame, okay, um when we go down to our 1 hour time frame, we can see that price created this fair value gap, and price has already reacted to it. Okay, so price has been doing this from the lower time frames to the higher time frames. Okay, so on our lower time frames, we see that price has reacted on all these levels over here. So we move to the 1 hour time frame, and what we can see on the 1 hour time frame here, what we can see on this 1 hour time frame is that price is reacting to these levels over here. Price is reacting to these levels over here because uh, it created this fair value gap here. It created this fair value gap here, or balance here, traded down, and it has retraced back into that imbalance it created. Okay, it has taken that out. And if we look on our 4 hour time frame, what price is currently doing is that it is going to retest this 4 hour imbalance. Okay, so what we are supposed to expect is that looking at the reaction of price, and then these levels of imbalance is where price always reacts from. Okay, so how to anticipate this is looking from the 15 minutes price has played out. You look from the 1 hour, this the 1 hour imbalance price has played out again. Okay, so on our 4 hours time frame, what we'll be looking at is we are going to expect price to react this way. Okay, because then I can spot an imbalance over here. Okay, we spot an imbalance over here. I told you, pay attention to these gaps. Okay, consider paying attention to the gaps. And then we have our imbalance here, all right, from the 4 hours. So what price actually is going to do, or what we are expecting price to do, this is how you anticipate or you take your trade when you are going to be ready for the market. Okay, so what I am expecting price to do is price should trade from this point here, let's say, to retest or to test this imbalance over here, and then expect price to trade down back, okay, to retest this gap it has created, all right, this imbalance here it created. Then we expect price to now also go high and take out this highs over here, this 4 hour high, and then test that imbalance over there too, that daily imbalance that price created. Okay, so this is how we react to price, and we expect price to react this way. Basically, this is the way we expect price to react. We expect price to trade down to this imbalance here, and then trade back up. So what we are looking at here is we are going to consider on our 4 hours this key level here as our point of interest. Okay, so if you look at what price has been doing from the lower time frames, you will see that price has taken out various key levels. Price has taken out various key levels. Okay, so one key level that we had from the 15 minutes time frame was this one. Okay, and price took it out. And then if you come down to the 1 hour time frame, okay, you see that it reacted over there. That is what price has done. Price took this one out. Okay, and then we are expecting price to go ahead on this 1 hour time frame, okay, to take this high also out completely, this one out here. This also be our key level here. Okay, this is how I'm marking it, you understand? So we expect price to also take this high over here on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we scale up again to our 4 hours. All right, on our 4 hours, what we are going to be expecting this coming Monday, because this is the closing of gold charts on the Friday. Okay, the market closed on Friday, and this is gold chart. So prior to it and all, on the Monday coming, we expect price to react this way. First of all, we expect price to take this key level here. This is our point of interest here, and then test this imbalance, come back to retest another imbalance it has created from the downside here, and then push back up, and then take our other level of interest. Okay, this is our 4 hour time frame or our other level of interest. Okay, so if we are to take a trade, okay, if we are to take a trade, this is how I expect to take the trade. I'll either let price take this higher, test this, and then you can short. Okay, you can short from this level to this point here as your profit level of interest, or you can long from this level here to this higher as the next level of interest, and so it goes. This is how I look at price. So when studying, you can go back, look at this video. I like to keep it simple, but then simplicity comes at a very good price rewarding cost. Okay, so you look at these points of interest, you look at these levels, you study them this way, and you mark out, you use this imbalance and then your highs and then your lows, you mark them out and then use them as your point of interest, and then see how price reacts from it. So you can backtest this a lot and see what price does with this, and see if you can get your edge, because then this actually work, and this is how the market moves. This is how price prints. Okay, so I'm going to keep this short, and then on our next session we are going to really learn something more valuable. So till then, happy trading and have a profitable week.